Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you a Chinese cooking again. So this one is Chinese style stir-fry beef broccoli. So ito yung ginawa ko sa broccoli guys, na tender yung broccoli, soft. So you just put a bit of oil, just a bit, and then pan fry this na maglabas yung kanyang oil. So ganito guys, so parang ganyan siya. I cover it actually para maging ano siya. I cover a while and then ipi-flip nyo siya. So ganyan. So maging ganyan siya, and then kapag pareho na yan siya same na ano, so kailangan nyo siya nga i-sit aside. Parang ganito na siya, and then you sit aside, and then you just fry your onion kasi naglagay ako dito ng onion para masarap. So you fry your red onion, pwede din kayong gumamit ng white onion, and then mushrooms. After you fry, then i-sit aside, and then you fry your mushrooms. Yung mushrooms ko guys, slice ko lang siya, and then into thin slice also. So ganyan, and then pag naluto yung mushrooms, you can add your beef. And then, pag add nyo yung beef, huwag nyo siyang i-overcook. Stir-fry nyo lang siya na maghalo lahat. And then, na-blanch na ditong broccoli. So, ihalo na lang siya. Yun lang, mapakabilis lang. Only salt and pepper lang yung ginamit ko sa beef. So, ayan na, napaka-yummy na siya guys. Kasi may taste na yung beef na yan. So, napaka-easy na Chinese cooking guys. So, this is called Chinese style stir-fry beef broccoli. So, you must try it. This is the recipe that my employer loves it.